A great way to create new colors is to sample them from an image. Choose the eyedropper tool in the toolbar, and then you can click to select. Now, a lot of times, the color you want is very hard to get. If you zoom in here and you look at the pixel levels, you'll notice that there's subtle variation between all the adjacent pixels. Because of this, I'll typically take advantage of one of the averaging techniques, which will average out when I click. So instead of just selecting this one color, it'll select from surrounding it and create an average color. And you'll notice as we drag through, not much is changing. To see this, bring up the Info panel and you'll see as you click and drag the new RGB value. Using an average technique will definitely smooth out the selection and lead to less accidental color shift. As you click, you're seeing the old color, and as you drag, the new color. This makes it easy to tell as you're trying to select what change you're making. And as you see here, it becomes very easy to get interactive feedback. There you go. Once you've chosen the color you want, it'll go ahead and load it into the foreground color. If you option click, it'll load that as the background color. And this is a very useful tool for generating new color swatches that you want to use. To save those swatches, just click in an empty well and you can go ahead and name them and store the swatch.